Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to set up and install an iCSee 4G solar security camera. This camera works without Wi-Fi. It uses a 4G SIM card and it is ideal for home and outdoor security. Let's get started. This is the solar panel. This is the 4G security camera. This is the mounting bracket. These are the wall plugs and screws, and lastly, this is the user manual. The camera comes with two sets of lens, LED lights, and infrared lights for night vision. These are the antennas which help improve the 4G network signal. To download the camera app, scan the QR code in the user manual or search for the iCSee app on the Play Store or App Store. Open the iCSee app. Click on Register to create an account. Enter your mobile number and verify it. Switch on the camera. Open the iCSee app. Click on Add Device. Select 4G camera. Scan the QR code on the camera. Click Add Device. Set a password for your camera. Rename your camera. Click play to view the live video. Install the wall anchor using the screws and wall plugs. Attach the solar panel to the bracket. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more security camera tutorials. Mount the camera on the wall. Finally, connect the solar panel to the camera. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.